Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again, Chicken Natural Remedies. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a drink that will clear up your skin, flawless, and you have a healthy skin. So if you want to know how to make this wonderful drink, this amazing drink, just keep on watching. And if you want your skin to glow, just still keep on watching. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. But don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Share, like, comment, share to your friends, guys, share to your loved ones. Let's just dive into the video.
The first thing we need is our pineapple. So I'm making use of half of this pineapple. I'll just cut it and add it straight to the plate.
Pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain, which can break down and help sweep away dead skin cells. And also, it clears the skin. The vitamin C in pineapple juice is a very effective acne treatment. There's a lot of benefits in pineapple.
The next thing we need is our apple. I'm making use of 2 apples in this recipe. I'll just cut it and add it straight to the blender. Doctors advise to take at least 1 apple in a day.
Apples contain antioxidants, and the antioxidant in apple prevents cells and tissue damages. Apple also contains a large amount of collagen that helps the skin young. If you want to look young and you just want to glow, keep on taking your apple. At least 1 apple in a day will go a long way, guys.
Straight to the blender. The next thing we need is our cucumber. So I'm going to make use of 1 full cucumber. So I'm going to cut it off and put it straight to the blender.
Cucumbers comprises of about 95% of water, which keeps the body hydrated from within. Cucumber contains antioxidants, which are vital for the body to fight against disease. Cucumber reduces swelling and fluffiness of skin. Cucumber helps to fight premature aging. There's a lot of benefit, guys, in this cucumber.
So I'll just, I'll set it aside. So the next thing we need for this recipe is our oranges. I'll make use of 2 oranges in this recipe. What I really want is the juice.
Antioxidants found in oranges fight free radicals, which may slow down the production of wrinkles and stop premature aging. Oranges have a high content of citric acid, which aids in skin exfoliation and help to dry out acne, improving the overall look of your skin.
So guys, right now I'm gonna blend it, but I'm not gonna blend it with water because cucumber contains 95% of water, so I don't really need to add water to it because I just want it to be raw. I'll start by blending the ones that contains water, like cucumber and apple. So I'll just crush it a bit, then I'll add my orange juice to it. Just keep on watching, guys. So right now I'm gonna add the orange juice. It will just help it to serve as water, so I will not add any water to it. Because this cucumber and apple has produced water with the orange juice, so I'm going to add the pineapple to it. Just start by adding the pineapple. Orange fiber straight to it. Okay, I'm gonna add it straight to my cup. Yeah, it's ready. ready to drink. So guys, this is just what you need to just clear your skin and look flawless, look younger than your age. Just give it a try. It works so well. You will like it. Will still come back and say thank you to me, because this ring is going to make your skin to look healthy and just look, and your skin will glow. It will make you to look younger than your age. But this ring is even an aging drink, because it's going to make you to not just remove the wrinkles from your face, clear all the spores, all the things that are not supposed to be in your face, acne, pimples, and just make you to look beautiful. Just go ahead and give it a try, and you'll come back and say thank you to me. So guys, here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.